In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note and refund in Xero. If you're managing your finances in Xero and need to issue a credit note, perhaps to correct an error or process a refund, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the simple steps that you need to follow, ensuring a seamless experience throughout the process. To begin, navigate to the top of your Xero dashboard and locate the Sales option on the top bar. This is your go-to section for any sales-related activities within Xero. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Invoices. Now, think of this as your central hub for managing all things related to purchases and sales, a place where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the invoices you've issued, making it easy to manage and monitor your business transactions. Once you're in the Invoices section, take a moment to scroll through and find the specific invoice that requires a credit note. Clicking on the desired invoice will open up the details for that particular transaction. This is a crucial step because the accuracy of your financial records depends on selecting the correct invoice. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a three-dot icon. Clicking this icon will open up a menu with several options. Here, you're looking for the option that says Create and Apply Credit. Selecting this option brings you to the credit note creation screen. This is where you'll provide additional details about the credit note. For example, you might want to include the reason for the credit note or any specific instructions that accompany it. As you finalize the details on this screen, you're also ensuring that your records will accurately reflect the refund or adjustment being made. Once you've filled in the necessary details and you're satisfied with everything, it's time to move forward. At the bottom of this page, you'll find options to either save or approve your credit note. Choose the one that best suits your process management right now. If you'd prefer to make further edits later, simply click Save. However, if everything checks out, Approve will finalize your credit note. And just like that, your credit note is created and applied. You've successfully adjusted your financial records to reflect the credit note and any necessary refunds. This whole process, while straightforward, ensures that your financial documentation is accurate and up to date, providing clarity and precision in all your financial dealings. I hope you found this step-by-step guide easy to follow. By managing your credits and refunds efficiently, you're ensuring a smooth operation within your business's financial domain. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.